What makes a beautiful wood finish? Maydos wood coating, enhancing the natural beauty of wood. Smooth, clear, fast. Prepare Maydos nitrocellulose paint and these tools: spray gun, brush, mixing stick, viscosity, gloss meter, filter cloth, mask, sanding paper. Before coating, sand and clean the surface thoroughly. Mix paint and thinner at a 1:1 ratio. Wipe the wood surface clean, then spray on primer. Apply an even coat of primer to seal the wood substrate. Sanding again. Apply wood grain glaze evenly, let ice stand to develop color, then gently wipe off excess glaze. After the second spray coat, the glaze grain is fully sealed, followed by meticulous sanding. Mix paint, thinner and wood stain. Use a ratio of 1 to 1.2 to 0.03. Spray clear top coat for crystal clear smooth finish and long-lasting wood protection. Adopt Maydos nitrocellulose paint. Finished surface delivers vivid 3D engineered wood grain. Why choose Maydos nitrocellulose paint? Trust our coating system.